Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on rebooting Xiaomi watches. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe up from the watch's home screen to get to the control panel, then tap on the settings cog. Scroll down and tap on System. Then tap Reboot. Tap the tick to confirm the reboot. Your watch will now reboot itself. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Xiaomi watch tips and tricks.